Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another IKEA video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an IKEA crib into a daybed. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, I'm definitely going to film a vlog about it. If I have any DIY projects around the house, usually assembling IKEA furniture or something smart home related, I'll definitely film those too. And I absolutely love electric cars, so if I'm doing something on the TELSA Model 3, there's sure to be a video about that too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, we're going to convert an IKEA crib into a daybed. So when you purchase your IKEA crib, they actually give you the kit. And if you're missing the kit, the good news is if you go to your local IKEA, you can usually pick one up from them as well. So what you're going to need are 4 wooden dowels. That's these guys right here. You're gonna need these 2 kind of plastic plugs, 2 screws, and a Phillips screwdriver. And then of course the last piece you're gonna need is this guy right here, which kind of helps to hold the mattress in. So the first step is to take your trusty IKEA Allen wrench and remove 2 screws from each side of the crib rail. You want to make sure that you don't lose this guy here. Okay, now that you've removed all 4 screws, the next step is to remove the side of the crib. Now that you have the side of your crib removed, next thing you want to do is install these guys right here, and they are the plugs for the holes. You want to grab your plug, you want to remove your dowel, and you want to take this guy here and put it right in the hole to cover it up. And then use your star tip screw, and voila, you have a cap. Now that you have your caps installed, the next step is to take this board here and install 4 dowels. 1, 2, you can see they go in the middle holes. 3, and 4. So the next step, you're going to reuse the hardware that you just took out of the crib. So that is these bolts here and these guys here. You're going to pop these guys into the holes like so. And then you're going to take this piece and attach it to the side. Take your bolts, tighten them up. Now we're going to move on to the other side here. You want to make sure that you have your crib, the bottom of your crib here, and this little pin lined up. Pop that in, and take your bolts, pop them in, and tighten. And there you have it. Now as you can see, this piece here actually helps to keep the mattress from sliding out. So there you have it. In a few easy steps, you can convert your IKEA crib into an IKEA daybed. Thanks so much for watching today. If you like this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. It really makes a difference. And if you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.